Welcome back, everybody, to Kirk's Outdoors Adventures. Today we're going to be doing a Fiskars Hatchet test. I've actually had this hatchet for about 2 years. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. It's even got a little flat spot on the tip from hitting a rock or something. As you can see, the blade is kind of held up pretty good. But let's go out here and chop some wood. Let's see what this thing can do. Here we got this pine. Chop her off. Let's see how it does. Chopped right through that. Pretty good. Let's go out here and see if we can find some harder wood. Show you what it does on that. Here I got a piece of oak. Looks a little rotten, but it's still pretty solid. Let's see how it cuts through right here. As you can see, it's still real solid in there. So, the blade hasn't been sharpened in a while, and it shows a little bit. But for using it 2 years, I do have a little hand sharpener that I hit every once in a while. It's still holding up pretty good, I'd say. Let's find another type of wood. Let's see what we got. This looks like some poplar here. Let's see how this does. Pretty soft, so it'll probably go right through. Oh yeah, broken half, see? Whoop-ah! Whoop-ah! Maybe we can even try throwing it. Never said I could throw it. I said we could try it. It's a nice little hatchet. It throws. That didn't work. Let's make us a weenie roasting stick. That there's better than most pocket knives. So I may have lied about splitting wood, because I don't have a good piece of wood to split. So, if we're just going to take it as it is, it's a hatchet. It splits small wood, probably not very big wood. That's how that's going to go. Does great. So overall, I'll give this baby a 10 out of 10. Lifetime warranty, limited lifetime warranty on the handle. They say you're not supposed to hit stuff on the back, but I mean, it's a hatchet. A hatchet's a hammer. So I have hit stuff with the back, but does just fine. If you like videos like this, give it a like. If you want to see me test other products out, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.